Welcome back to English Vocabulary channel. Today, in this video, you are going to learn a new word. Ever feel like something is everywhere you look? There's a perfect word for that, and it's today's word of the day. Today's new word is ubiquitous. It is pronounced as ubiquitous. The word ubiquitous means present, appearing, or found everywhere. Here are some examples of the word ubiquitous. 1. Mobile phones have become ubiquitous in today's society. 2. English has become a ubiquitous language in global business and education. 3. Plastic is so ubiquitous, it's found even in the deepest parts of the ocean. 4. Mosquitoes are unfortunately ubiquitous during monsoon season. 5. McDonald's is a ubiquitous brand found in almost every major city worldwide. 6. Tourists taking photos with selfie sticks are a ubiquitous sight at famous landmarks. You will find these examples in the description box below. Now, quick challenge. Can you think of something ubiquitous in your life? Coffee? Traffic? Memes? Drop your answer in the comments. Now, origin of the word ubiquitous. Where did ubiquitous come from? Ubiquitous comes from the Latin word ubique, meaning everywhere. It's formal but super handy. Use it to sound smart in writing, essays, or speeches. Bonus tip: say ubiquitous when you mean common or all around, but want to sound a little extra. That's your word of the day, ubiquitous. Add it to your vocabulary bank and use it in a sentence today. Like, comment, and subscribe for more daily word power.